Want to know how to add your LinkedIn profile to your Guru.com profile? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Guru.com website. So we have also created similar videos regarding Guru.com, which is on our channel, so make sure to watch it. So now, adding your LinkedIn page is super simple. You can just simply head towards edit profile. It should be down here, but if it's not here on the top right side, you should be seeing the profile right here. Just simply select that and then select edit profile. Now you should directly be under the edit profile page. Now right here you should be seeing your profile picture and your name, and below that you should also be seeing this LinkedIn icon right here. So you can just simply click this plus icon and then just simply add in your link. Now just simply select save, and once after let's save, your LinkedIn profile should be successfully added, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.